Hustle through the holidays and still support your health with 2 simple and satisfying snacks that'll please any hungry crowd. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. And today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'm going crazy for candy canes, both savory and sweet, to keep everyone feeling jolly as the new year approaches. Ho ho ho, let's go! To start the candy cane Caprese, whisk together in a small bowl a 1/2 cup of Gustari Vita basil-flavored olive oil with a 1/4 cup of refrigerated basil paste. Then set the bowl aside. Next, alternately arrange 1 8-ounce package of Soirée sliced mozzarella with tomatoes to create a candy cane shape on a large cheese board. Mozzarella is a good source of protein and calcium and contains less sodium than many other cheeses. Then, drizzle the candy cane with some of the basil oil mixture and sprinkle with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Lastly, garnish the platter with fresh basil and serve with Hy-Vee Bakery Crostini. For the candy cane cookies, bake 2 12-ounce packages of Sweet Lawrence less sugar chocolate chunk cookie dough and sugar cookie dough, according to package directions. This pre-portioned cookie dough is completely safe to eat raw because it contains no eggs or dairy and it's nut-free. When they're done baking, alternately arrange chocolate chip cookies and sugar cookies in a candy cane shape on a large board or serving platter. Drizzle the candy cane with melted chocolate and garnish with pomegranate arils if desired. It's not too late to get your flu shot to protect against severe illness and even hospitalization. Plus, get a 20-cent Hy-Vee Fuel Saver reward when you get your flu shot with Hy-Vee.